What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to quickly show you this BMW i8. I've been trying to sell this car now for about a week. It is for sale for $7,500. I'm serious, y'all. $7,500, and you could be buying a BMW i8 that's behind me. Stay with us. Alright, everybody, so here is the BMW i8 eDrive. Man, what an absolutely beautiful model. You heard me. Some of y'all that watch my channel on the regular know what I'm talking about. Some people that watch right now are saying, my God, a BMW i8 for $7,500? Is this guy nuts? No, I'm not nuts at all. I'm trying to sell this car right here for that price. So anyways, while the Mercedes-Benz S550 is back there making all these whistling sounds, I'll do the best I can to go through and show you this vehicle. Now again, the body on the car is all fiberglass. Listen to what I say, all fiberglass. This technically is just a fiberglass shell of a BMW i8. Originally, this vehicle sat at the dealership floor of our local BMW store here in Charleston, South Carolina, owned by Rick Hendrick. What I was told was originally this vehicle, dealerships had to pay around $18,000 to $20,000 for the vehicle just to have it in the showroom as a display model to sit in the store. And basically, we were able to purchase this car at some point over the last year or so. So the car's been sitting out here on display. It looks great. It definitely gets a lot of attention for us. And a lot of people pull in off the road just to see the BMW i8 because, well, first off, they've never seen one before. But the owner came up to me a few days ago and he said, or last week or sometime, and said, Chad, can you help me sell this car? He's like, if you help me sell this car, I'll pay you a commission for it. But he's like, please help me sell it. So that's what I'm doing. I've done a lot of research online. I'm trying to find anyone else that has one available and just to see if what would one of these model cars go for. And unfortunately, I can't seem to find any available for sale. So this may be the only one in the United States of America or the world that's actually for sale right now. So with no further ado, let's keep on looking through. I'll show you this car and let you see how it is. It's in great shape. I mean, it's clean. Of course, it's a little dirty now because it's been sitting out here, but you know, the lights actually light up. I don't have a European plug to plug it into the wall to show everybody that, but this will plug into the wall and it will light up the headlights and the tail lights on the vehicle and maybe even some of these blinker lights. But it truly is the exact same size of a real BMW i8. It has real Toyo Potenza tires on here, brand spanking new, as you can see there. It's got the alloy wheels. It's got the cross-drilled rotors right in there. So it really is kind of a tricky car here. 20-inch in size, or 215/45, and they're real tires, y'all. I mean, pretty cool, you know. But anyways, there it is, the BMW i8. Let me show you up underneath if I can. There you can see what I'm talking about. It's just that. Okay? It's got some wheels down there and a frame up under there for this thing to roll around in your garage, in your house, in your mechanic shop, performance store, whatever. You know, just to give you a couple suggestions, I thought, hey, somebody wants to buy this. It's got a performance shop. They could cut it in half and they can mount it up on the wall in their shop, right? You could, if you're a YouTuber and you want to have some kind of cool looking car parked in your, you know, in your background at your house where you do your YouTube videos at. Great choice, you know. I mean, whatever you want to do. A prop company that does movies, maybe they would want to buy this and, you know, set it down in scenes in the movies, right? you know, hey, there you go. So again, how much, right, are you asking? Well, I started out at $8,000 for the BMW i8, and I've reduced it down to $7,500. So $7,500 cash. You can buy this. We can put it on an 18-wheeler trailer, figure out how to get it to your house, get it delivered to you. But $7,500, or best offer, you could drive, or not drive, you could buy the model car right here. Just another little notable mention here, there is no glass here. Again, you cannot see through at all, and it's got wipers, inductions, and everything else. But again, this is all plastic or fiberglass, whatever that is. You cannot open the doors, you cannot open anything. It's just a model. Thanks for watching, everybody. Send me a comment. Let me know if you'd be interested in buying this car. Again, I'm trying to get rid of it, and I'd love to be able to sell it this holiday season. Thanks so much.